What happens if I accidentally unlink my Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4?
Hey there! In this video, we'll discuss what happens if you accidentally unlink your Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4 and how to fix it. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
What happens when you unlink your Microsoft account?
When you unlink your Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4, you lose access to cross-platform features such as joining friends on other platforms, realms, and marketplace purchases. Additionally, any progress and achievements synced with your Microsoft account will not be accessible on your PS4.
Can you relink your Microsoft account?
Yes, you can. To relink your Microsoft account to your PS4, follow these simple steps. 1. Open Minecraft on your PS4. 2. On the main menu, select Sign In. 3. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you've signed in, your cross-platform features, progress, and achievements should be restored.
What if you can't remember your Microsoft account credentials?
If you can't remember your Microsoft account credentials, try these options. 1. Visit account.microsoft.com on a different device and use the Forgot My Password or Forgot My Username options. 2. Contact Microsoft support for assistance with account recovery. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, if you accidentally unlink your Microsoft account from Minecraft on PS4, you can always relink your account to restore your progress and cross-platform features. Happy gaming!